Hello from Osaka, Japan, where we are leaving the Namba station for a day trip to nearby Nara. And welcome to another of Pete's adventures. We make our way through the Osaka suburbs on our way to Nara, which is about a 40-minute train ride. On the way, there are some great views of the city of Osaka in the distance. Arriving at Nara, we leave the train and head for the deer park. We made it to Nara. Outside the station, several bus routes take you to the main tourist areas of interest.
If you wish to get off, please press the button.
We left the bus at the first stop in the deer park. Here, we were lucky to find plum tree blossoms in the first week of March. The deer are mostly friendly and can be found throughout the park. Along the path to the shrine, we find many stone lanterns. And our first friendly deer. The camera. Yeah, the camera. No food. No food for either of you guys, I'm afraid. See you later. We thought this young deer might be teething since there was no damage to the rope. However, it could just be that the rope tasted good to him. The path of the stone lanterns continues to the steps and to yet more lanterns. There are more than 3,000 lanterns at this shrine, some of which are over 300 years old. And now it's time to enter the shrine. The office to the right sells entry tickets, however it does accept only cash. Looking back, there are many stone lanterns. Friendly deer hoping for treats mingle with the visitors. Many visitors enjoy browsing the gift shop. Here, a guest buys one of the traditional white deer fortunes. Anyone can buy one of these and write a personal message. sun came out.
So we'll buy a little deer for us in English.
The shrine is brightly coloured, and we see another plum tree blossom to our right. The hanging lanterns this shrine is known for are really worth seeing. The lanterns are a gold colour when new and transition to this green shade as they age. Another blooming plum tree. There were few to be seen the first week of March when we were visiting. This tree in the Zen garden is over 1,000 years old.
A tree expand from root or Japanese cedar to the roof of Chinese cedar. Okay.
That's fine, thank you.
He was just telling you, oh, it's a great place. It's my grandmother's family. She was really, my son just married one of their family. Okay. Hey, so
That looks right now. More steps and more lanterns as we make our way through the shrine. Behind the curtain is a dark room with lighted lanterns. It's known as Fujinami no Ya Hall. Moving through here was a special and unforgettable experience. Leaving the shrine behind, we walked towards Nandaemon Gate and the Todai-ji Temple. There are many restaurants, snack and gift shops here. And of course, more of the sacred deer. Deer near the deer cakes vendor were much more aggressive.
Oi!
This is Nandaemon Gate, the south entrance to Todai-ji Temple. It stands over 25 meters high
Oh hell, I'm not doing this.
and is built entirely of wood. This deer was looking for any visitors with deer cakes.
What are you looking for?
And started the unique bowing for treats.
Are you the guardian? Is that what it is?
The construction design is clearly on show here. It follows ancient Chinese techniques. This video clip is taken from a recommended photo spot. The Big Buddha Hall is the building behind with the gold-topped roof. This gate is the entrance to the main Todai-ji Temple. Go to the left to purchase temple tickets. Once inside, we see the magnificent Todai-ji Temple. This is the largest wooden structure in the world. The large octagonal lantern is very old. This is home of the world's largest bronze statue of Buddha Daibutsu, 15 meters high. The size and construction of the doors is amazing. This is looking back to the entrance from the temple.
It's okay, thank you.
Another view of the intricate construction. Visitors here are admiring the workmanship. We were fortunate to hear the monk. And now, 7 images from inside the temple. We take one last look before returning to Osaka.